I'm going to show you exactly how to create and sell Canva templates in 2025, even if you've never sold a digital product before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to design a template people actually want, generate a shareable Canva link, set up your shop, and start marketing your products so customers can find and buy them. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account. On the home page, click Create, and in the search bar, type Planner. Select the planner format you want, and once your blank canvas loads, go to the Designs tab on the left-hand panel. You'll see a wide collection of ready-made planner designs you can use as a base. Click on a template you like, and it will automatically appear on your canvas, ready for customization. Start building your planner by creating 30 to 31 pages to cover a full month. Add sections like monthly goals, weekly layouts, daily trackers, budgeting pages, or wellness templates, anything that adds value. Once your planner is complete, click Share, then See All, especially if you don't immediately see the template link. What you need to do is generate a template link, which is the link customers will use to access and personalize your design. After generating your template link, download your entire planner as a PDF standard file. This file will be used as your digital product download, while the template link will be included so buyers can open the editable version in their Canva account. Next, visit printify.com and create a free account. Set up your shop, connect your preferred selling platform, and add your payment details. This is where your earnings will go every time someone purchases your planner or any of your digital templates. Once your shop is set up, you're officially ready to sell. Now it's time to market your product. Upload your planner to platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, or your online store. Create eye-catching mock-ups, write a clear product description, and schedule posts so you can promote consistently. And to grow your catalog, continue creating more digital products. Repeat the entire process to keep your shop active and visible across multiple platforms. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just learned how to design a planner template, generate a shareable link, prepare your product files, set up your shop, and start promoting your digital products using Canva in 2025. Keep practicing, keep uploading, and don't forget to check out our free 20-minute masterclass for even more Canva tips, tricks, and beginner-friendly strategies. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.